It is the process of Shodhan of Shankh, because the Shankh is the conch is the animal origin which we are using. It is a alkaline in nature. That's why they neutralize the unwanted alkaline toxicity in natures by the lemon juice and other citric rus or the amlarous plants. During the process of Svedhan, the Shankh, it's the processing and pharmacological actions we have described. These are the Svedhan. It is the techniques of the Shodhan process. Svedhan, when we are keeping this drugs material in a packet and suspended in a pot, that one known as the dolayantra, as you have seen in the material science, the traditional system, when we are boiling, and by their corrosive nature, the impurities, amity is loses and eliminate out, and the beneficial material are still remaining. That's why we are processing. This movement facilitates the entry of the components, lemon juice inside the pottery. The cloth absolutely act as a selectively permeable membrane, and citric acid is the chief constituent lemon juice, which acts as a heavy metal mobilizer due to its chelating property, as the previous speaker is also said the same things. There is a electrostatic. These are the scientific explanation of this Shodhan process, as this electrostatic attraction or the formation of the surface Ca citrate complex in the ongoing process. Why we are using? Because we are preparing this complex formulation which one acts as a medicine. Citric acid reduces the positive charge of the calcium compounds, thus indicating the absorption of the citrate and positively charged site. This exchange diffusion process occurring during the intermediary procedure leads to the bioingredient activity principle of the media of the Shankh. Lemon juice highly acidity means that it has high concentration hydrogen ion, and its corrosive properties make it useful ingredient cleaning products because the softness of the mineral hardness, it is the property how it acts. One very much popular preparation, that is acid preparation, that is the Sukta Kalpana. It is the acidic fermentation. There is in Rasa Shastra and Bhasaj Kalpana, there are two types of fermentation. One is the Madhya preparation, that is Sura and also alcoholic preparation, and the second one is the Sukta Kalpana, that is nothing, it is the acidic preparation. It is about every acharyas of Rasa Shastra and Bhasaj Kalpana have said about this Sukta Kalpana. Now next one. Chukra, it is also a variety of Sukta Kalpana. Tusambu, Sobir, Sandaki, it is preparation of the Sukta Kalpana using barley, using fruit juice, using sugarcane juice, several things, a formulation which is ultimately acidic in nature, or you can say the amlaras. They are used for preparation of different type of formulation, as well as processing like Shodhan and Marar, as well as direct internal administration for the treatment of the disease, as well as for making strength and aphrodisiac effect and health and tonic acid. One important preparation which you are using, it is a ginger kanji, and it is also very much popular in the South India. They are using the kanji, and we are also prepared this kanji, and it is a very useful for digestive purposes as well as for the preparation of the medicine. The paper is also published regarding the action of the kanji. Ginger juice is also acidic in nature, and it is also used for the preparation of the medicine like manasila. Manasila is nothing, it is the arsenic trisulfide. It is highly toxic. When without processing, arsenic toxicity everybody is saying, but with these process it become detoxified, and it have very much property like aphrodisiac, by a potent drug in a small doses and it can be used without fear of the toxicity. Lemon juice, it is also used the cinnabar, it is the hingul, and it is the source of parat, and it is also can be administered in the body by with this process. So many drugs which we have discussed in the previous, many drugs are not available. That's why there is a challenge to recover them, to resource them by many, with the help of government and with the help of scientists, as well as by the agriculture person like tissue cultures, because they are escaping and they are very much effective drugs. And these plants are not available. Standardization, how the many persons say the Ayush drugs and Ayush person as not acceptable to the whole of the society, because we should to prove in the modern or scientific language which are acceptable for the universe. Then that's why it is a standardization required. And if your drugs are saved and published in the international and impact journals with the evidence-based scientific journals, evidence scientific data, then everybody is accepting. Only we say that we are safe, we are preparing the safe medicine, it is not acceptable. There is the era is science era, that's why the scientific data which can make us valid, that's why validity is required, and validity is only achieved by standardization.